Oh man. Okay. Hold on. Let me walk around because I know you guys did something. Oh man, you're gonna have to show me how these seatbelt harnesses go.
We're gonna have to take you for that.
What the hell?
Ghost, I told you.
What the, no, what is this? Curtis, what the hell is this damn box? Tattoo. You know, I was in the gang unit and I used to read gang tattoos. I don't know what the hell that is. Hunter, what is that?
That's a McDonald's Happy Meal box.
Hold on, let me look at it again. Let me see it.
I know you can see it.
Oh, that is. So that's a damn McDonald's Happy Meal box.
Yep. He said he likes the 4-piece, the 6-piece, the hamburger, the cheeseburger.
The nugget.
Yeah.
This man that put a damn McDonald's Happy Meal box tattoo. Damn, son. Woo! Jeremy, what are you working on today? Another transmission?
Another transmission. All the time.
Hey, Hunter keeps saying it's the same car, but they look different to me.
Well, what it is it is the same car. We just keep doing paint jobs. So that way it looks like a different car for the viewer.
Oh, okay. All right, man, let's see what we got here, man. Curtis, what we got?
Oh.
Good Lord, man, it looks good. Wow.
So far it fits together pretty good. Everything's nice and tight. There's not a lot of play between the joints. And should control sway really good. Sway bars are nice to have. And
Sway bars.
Said roll cage.
Roll cage. Let's get the expert in here. Could we have expert Hunter Holt come here, please?
Looks very well thought out. These are going to be existing bolts that are in the car. These are definitely made for this car, as far as it's not just a 6x6 piece of plate and just make you fit on there. And it looks like it actually made to fit the car and back here as well. So,
all right. So one thing they did think through on this is the rear brace or bar that goes across is set backwards. That way the really thick factory Dodge seats will clear. And they also have harness loops in the back for whenever you do decide to upgrade to a harness instead of your factory.
No, I actually have a harness. So yeah, I will get that to you. It's sitting in the garage that was sent to me by Mission Flyer.
And we've also got tabs here for if you ever go to a lightweight seat and support the back of it.
Man, they've thought of everything on both sides.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And yeah, those do go to existing mounting holes already on the frame behind the seat.
So it's already existing mounting holes.
That bolts in, and then we just have to drill holes for the front and the back bars.
Okay.
On the floor pan and then on the wheel well.
Man, I really like this cage, man. It looks slick. You know, one thing I like about it, Curtis, I think once it's in the car, you really won't be able to see it, you know?
Oh, no, you'll see it.
Well, I mean, not from a distance. If you walk up on it, you'll see it.
Yeah,
but
it should be tucked back. You're not going to see it like through the window.
No, you won't be able to see it through the window.
Yeah. I do get to cut into your factory interior, though.
Hey, man, stop it already.
Oh, yeah.
Stop it already. Stop that already.
Couple of drill holes.
Oh, like your where the armrest essentially be if you had a back seat on the side over there? Oh, yeah, big old hole. Right.
Stop it already. Stop it already. Ain't no.
You think I'm joking?
It ain't happening, Captain.
Instructions.
It ain't happening, Captain.
Hang on.
Look at her. You put stuff down and go. Hey, I thought you put that thing in one of your drawers. Right here. That thing, because I was telling you it was important and we'll lose it. Look in one of your drawers, see if you put it somewhere. It's a big white box. We'd know it if we saw it. It'll stand out. Yeah, see that cap went on the end of this is where the thing went at. I think it went on the bottom of.
Well, that just sounds weird. Could you pull that off every time?
Hold on, let's see. Hold on, what is that doing? Let me see this right there. Boy.
Passenger side.
What you talking about?
Hole right through there.
Hole right through where?
In there.
Where?
It'll go.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right. Yeah, right about here.
Okay.
Drill hole.
Now all that can be replaced.
Okay.
But can you cut it as good as that though?
Challenge accepted. I don't typically get to work barefooted. That's kind of nice.
How come you don't have your shoes on?
Because I don't want to mess up your interior. My
Oh,
shoes are
boy.
dirty.
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you, Curtis.
Walking in your soul residue, as you call it.
Well, thank you, Curtis. I really appreciate that, brother.
Pretty roomy in here.
Yeah, it is.
You
That's-
got almost a guy living in here.
Yeah, that's the neat thing about the Challengers is that it's a lot of room. It's built for big people.
Yeah. Interesting thing about Dodge keeping the Challenger is it still looks the most like the original.
Yeah, it does. The Charger, I really didn't care for too much because they changed the design, and I grew up with that, big boxy design.
Yeah. But as far as a big four-door with a lot of power, it definitely fills that.
Oh, it
fills
handles
that niche.
Yeah, it fills that niche really well. I think Dodge did it right. They took big cars and made them go fast.
There's no anyone else in that market right now, at least domestic or really anyone making four doors with 800 horsepower.
No.
Yeah, you're the same as me. You add a bunch of stuff just because.
Yeah, I mean, I can go on a diet and lose some weight before that.
Well, you can go on a diet and lose weight just from that all the rubber in the wheel wells.
Yeah.
I'm curious as if you would actually feel a difference,
Well, we took a bunch of rubber out one time and we weighed it, and I want to say we took out 28 pounds of rubber. Yeah.
So why'd y'all pull all this stuff out? Just to weigh it and see where you could lose weight?
No, when we, I ordered the car without the rear seat delete, and then I got it separately because I wanted all the seats in the car. All the seats just cost $1 extra.
Yeah.
And they said what you need to do is just order it with all the seats and then order the seat delete separately because you would not be able to get a seat and add it. Yeah, you won't. Yeah. Well, you can't add it because they pull the bolts out of the one bolt seats and it does not have the harness for the airbags.
Gotcha. Those are actually the bolts. That will be mounting the main
bolts
hoop.
are already done.
Yeah, the main hoop. How in the hell did you get a receipt down in here?
I don't know. Let's see what is
Quick Trip. You're talented.
Quick Trip on my way.
With every second I'm in here, value drops by like $1,000.
No, it goes up.
Well, if you're over here in the driver's seat, you're trying to sneak out of here. You're trying to sneak out of here without Curtis knowing you're leaving. I don't have it like that. So this is the good thing about it. So you're driving off. I'm gonna need my hands.
So anyway,
you're easing off. Curtis catches you.
Yep.
Leaving. He's running. Hey, stay, don't leave. Running. He flings the door open. You might have forgot to lock the doors. He goes to jump in. Boom.
Hits the bar. Hits the roll bar.
He's not in.
Stops him every time. I just keep on going.
No Curtis.
We need to put an age limit on your channel.
Hey, my channel is not for kids. Only you. You're the youngest person on the channel.
I haven't looked like a kid since I was like 13.
Man, you look like a kid even with a beard. You look like you getting ready to go out for Halloween, Curtis.
I really like that there's factory bolt location.
Yeah,
it's
right.
a lot better than drilling holes.
Oh, hell yeah, especially right there where the fuel tank is.
I mean, and that's definitely probably one of the strongest parts of the car. See, it fits good and tight up against the
you can't even get a hand
headliner.
through.
See, this is what Travis was saying about it, was he loved the fit of this thing, how it fits so good.
Was this actually mocked up at PRI in a car?
No, they had it outside of a car, but they had displays of it in another car that they showed us. And Travis just went googly eyed about it. He just went on and.
So the best deal about that is, even with our customer stuff, is you can take the bar, if you're driving the car during the week and it's your daily driver, just take the bar out. You don't even have to leave it swinging if you don't want. You can just it's just one bolt. Take the one bar out and just leave it out, and then put it in on the
Said no. He said we have to do this. He said we got to invest in this roll cage. He said this one is done right.
Leave them like they are for now.
Oh, we can run them down.
Hunter, man, what have y'all done to my car, man? Good Lord.
Updated it, improved it.
Man, what are these damn stickers on this car, Hunter? Stickers give you 5 horsepower. I'm not talking about the snatching soul. I'm talking about this mess right here, the Comet.
Here is for your jujitsu students.
I'm not talking about that. Look at these stickers on the bottom.
Well, this is your demonology sticker.
No, man.
For your site.
Put a heart. Put a heart on there.
Man.
What is this? All this down there?
That's your people.
Is that my people?
That's your people.
Oh man, Taylor to put all these people up here on my car. Where's Metco at? There we go, Metco.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me walk around because I know you guys did something. Oh man, you're gonna have to show me how these seatbelt harnesses go.
We're gonna have to dig you for it, actually.
What the hell?
Ghost, I told you.
What is this?
Oh,
What is
that's
What the fuck? Hold on, man.
Hey, that is what is. That's the what is. What is. So.
Oh man, so y'all done put the Cobra Jet engine up in here.
Man, I've been saying that for you.
Hey man, did you find
Look at all those under your seats.
all them glasses you found under my seats?
So,
Wow.
So I wasn't using the camera right?
No, you don't. Is it still turned on?
No.
Boy, you don't know nothing about that camera. Here, flip it out and turn it upside down and stick it back in the thing.
Oh, it goes like this?
Yeah, to protect the lens.
Yeah, I get it.
There you go.
I get it.
Boy, you don't know what you be doing. God damn it. You thought you was filming something. You ain't filming nothing. Hey, man, you didn't use my dental floss thing in there, did you?
No, I did not use that.
You know, I got to check on you, brother.
I didn't use it. So we didn't know.
Man, you think, boy, God damn it.
Man,
Boy, I go out the country, y'all done.
You keep saying you.
I done
look.
I
did that. Me not did. I mean.
Hold on, let me put my jacket. I saw you trying to wear my jacket, boy. I bet you feel like I bet you feel like a man wearing daddy's jacket, did
I did. It wasn't so hot. I would have kept. I've been still wearing it.
Man.
We can back it off here.
Yeah, no. I'll let you want to back it off? You want
sure,
me to?
that's fine.
Okay, I'll
But
let
yeah,
you.
here's as far as the pin.
Uh-huh.
So it
Just pulls out.
Yep.
Okay.
Like I said, as far as it's just like the other one, you know, you can take it all the way.
Like no. I'll get it later. Come on.
So.
Yes. Boom. I can get in and get out.
Yeah.
If you,
Or you can-
yeah, just step over it.
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, that's a lot more comfortable than the Cobra Jet. Okay, so you didn't fit it to you, huh?
Close.
You know,
but
we get-
I didn't know where it makes a difference on where the seat is as far
Man,
as.
you know me and you got that same bad bond.
Oh,
What you
okay.
talking about,
Okay. Okay. These I'm kind of worried because these were tight on me.
bro? Yeah.
These were.
These were tight.
Yeah, I mean, they're all the way as long as they're going. They were tight, so I don't.
Let me see. No, I can
Yeah.
run. I can run right here.
Well, we get the sub belt. That's where you sit in the. Okay.
Okay. Boom, boom.
Yep.
So where does this go? So this just comes over like
Yep.
this.
Yeah.
Man, how that?
Now I can. This one actually has a little bit of length in it that we can maybe
Yeah,
get.
but how can you get this one over? Can this come over some more?
That I've got it all. Yeah, I think I've got it all. That's all the way. We might have to tell them to send some longer belts. But
Okay, it's not straight. It's kind of sideways. God damn.
well, yeah, but you still have this one right here.
Yeah, but damn, look. That's
I know.
That's on one of my balls, man.
I know. I'll have to adjust it because it's back there.
You adjust it from the back? Not the
Yeah, that does a little bit. That'll cinch it down, but we need to take the extra length out.
Okay, well,
Right
right here,
back
what
here.
you holding now? Just from the back.
Yeah,
Just
no,
from
they're
the back.
tight. That's
I ain't going nowhere. I ain't doing no hunching or nothing with this.
no.
This damn thing. Shit.
I have to get the. They was asking if they got a extension harness.
How hard is it to take that in and out though?
Now, as far as swapping the belts out, it's not hard at all with this style. Instead of having just a hole in here and having to bolt it, you can take it in and out.
Okay, so maybe I can contact the company and get a longer one.
Definitely, and it wouldn't take any tools to swap this part, because there
we go.
There's one of your lap belts right there. Now, see, as far as those, you always want to kind of know where they're at, like when you're in the staging lane or what have you, because those can be, they're not fun to find if they're back, you know, hell, you have to get all the way out of the car or have somebody else.
Hunter, can you, I'm going to pull this thing. Can you pull this? Pull it forward. Hold on, let me get this one. Go. All right, that's good. Dang, now I feel like I'm sitting in the damn Cobra jet. Yep. That's how the Cobra jet was, like that.
Yeah, you don't want to be able to move at all. I think the seat's still up higher than it was.
You think it's up higher?
Yeah. That'll give you some room too, as far as.
Yeah, it did. Oh no, I'm feeling this. No, I got it. Yeah, I just need to get these.
Yeah, and then we get to well, just like that. But I think they're still too long. We still need to shorten them in the back, and then you have, that's your final. That's when you're, after you get, then you really cinch those down.
Okay.
So but we still.
Cinch these back up?
Yeah, I think we still have just a little bit of adjustment to do.
So how do I cinch this? Pull this up?
Just pull up. As far as, see, they didn't send them, but there's usually like a strap that goes in that loop, and then you would grab it as far as
pull it up. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you have that loop, it's like a handle that you can grab on.
Oh yeah.
So you need to ask them where your loops are.
Okay. And then to open it, just pull this.
Yep. Cam it over, and you're out.
Oh, nice. Okay, so what we're going to do next? We're going to
Adjust, shorten them back there.
All right, brother. Here we go. Feel that. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top. And if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.